Dito na Swansea, makakuha ba siya? Yun lang, pinauwi yung dalawa! So they can actually get the steal. Thank you for the leash again! Crown picked up by Still With You. Yan yung pang-counter niya sa Keeper's Verdict niya. Kaso nga lang, pwede ma-activate, yun lang. Delikado na nga, in-engage yan! Lahat binuhos! Says gonna be survive some time, teleport pa, kaso nga napasakit pa rin dito ng Lilia. Yun na nga, Zombie yung ginamit na rin, kaso ladder chain corruption, yun lang! Nadali yung Lissandra! Dahil sa chain of corruption, that's 2 kills already! Make that 3 as well! Keep it pa rin ginamit, kaso nga lang nakapalibot pa rin sa kanya si Still With You. Napakamalis ng Lilia na ito, so you won't be able to escape! You get the Baron, but KGX now is wanting to get the game! Sige, wala na makakapagbago nito kung sakali, kaso nga lang masyadong delikado. Meron pa silang wave na parating. Shock blast can be used already. And looks like KGX Reese lost the Baron, that they will still get game number 2. Ganda! Ay, go! Ay, ang ganda ng game na yun.